guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. I'm super excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this green halo look. And also stay tuned for the end of this video. I'll be announcing our November 2019 giveaway winner. And yeah, it's crazy. Can you guys believe that it's already December? It has really flown by this year. And I'm just super grateful for every single one of you guys that we have as supporters, and also all of our new subscribers. I'm just really thankful that I get to do this every single day. So I don't want to rant or ramble too much, but I can literally go on about that forever. But I just want to jump right into the tutorial. So first thing I did was I primed my eyelids with some concealer, and I did set it with some translucent powder as well. And then for today's palette, I'm using this Kaleidos Futurism Sci-Fi Green Palette. I'll leave the name of it and the link to it in the description box down below. But I just went into the orange transition color, and I'm just buffing that into my crease. And it's orange, but it has undertones of brown in it. It's super different, but I really like this as a transition color. And I'm just kind of focusing that on the outer corner and just really focusing this in the center of my crease. And then I'm going into my Colourpop angled brush, and I'm going into the dark green shade in the palette, and I'm just going to start to draw that line of definition in my crease all the way from left to right. And I am going a little bit above my natural crease just to give myself a little bit more lid space. Next, I'm going into this small tapered brush, and I'm going into the lighter green shade. These two green shades are super similar. This one's just a little bit lighter. So I'm just going in left and right motions, diffusing that line. And just being really careful about where I'm placing this because I don't want to take it up too high. So this step is definitely optional, but I just wanted to give a little bit more definition because I feel like once you blend that line out, you lose a little bit of the depth. So I'm just bringing it back, and then I'm going to be going into an even smaller tapered brush with the lighter green shade, and I'm just going in left and right circular motions, just focusing that on top of the line, not taking it too high, and just really adding a gradient. And then I forgot to record me cutting my crease, but you can watch any of our previous videos and you can see exactly how I do it. And I even have an in-depth video on that on our channel up already. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't record it. I guess I forgot to. But after I cut my crease with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, I like to set it with some translucent powder. So you'll see me do that in the next clip. I'm just grabbing this really small brush and just really packing on that translucent powder, making sure that nothing budges and nothing transfers into the crease. Next, I'm grabbing this flat brush, and I did wet my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm just going to be applying this metallic green shade all over the lid. And honestly, these Kaleidos makeup palettes are super bomb. They have really unique colors, and the design on the palettes are stunning. This is not sponsored, but I've been obsessed with them, and I can't wait to play around with the other three that I have. But yeah, this shade is absolutely stunning. I didn't really have a lot of expectations when using this palette, so it honestly kind of shocked me. But yeah, I'm just kind of focusing that on the center, and then I'm going into that light green shade with this small tapered brush. And I know that it doesn't really look green, but it's nonetheless, it was a good transition color because we're going to be applying black with a pencil brush on the very inner and outer corner edge. And So I'm just dabbing into that, and this black eyeshadow is super pigmented. I barely put my brush into that black eyeshadow and it definitely had a lot of color payoff, so I'm just focusing this just on the very outer and inner corner. And it helps when you use a pencil brush that's tapered like this because you have a lot more control over where you place the shadow. And I did kind of feather it inward so it'd be easier to blend. And then I'm going back into that light green shade with the small tapered brush and just doing feathering motions, just dragging it inward, just kind of blending all of those shades together. Next, I grabbed my Anastasia Beverly Hills black liquid liner and I'm just applying my wing and then peeling off my tape. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sophie Bella Bahama lashes, and these have honestly been my favorite. If you guys want to check out our lash company, the link will always be in the description box down below. For my waterline, I'm using this CoverGirl Full Spectrum black liner in my waterline, and it's just a really good black liner. And then I'm just smudging the same 3 shades that we applied in our upper crease, but I'm primarily focusing these shades on the outer edge of my lower lash line. So first going into that light transition color, and then going into the green shade with this really flat defined brush. And I'm of course blending in between each of these steps just so that every single part of this is super blended. I find that it's a lot easier to blend as you go than it is to just apply everything and then blend it all together. So whatever technique works best for you, but this is what works best for me. And then I'm going into my small angled brush and my black shadow and just primarily focusing that to the outer edge like I said before, and then blending everything together. Next, I'm grabbing my Mad Lash mascara by The Balm and I'm just coating my lower lashes. And the last step for this look, I'm just grabbing this really small lip brush and I'm going into the gold shadow in this palette, and I'm just going to be applying this as an inner corner highlight. And I just felt like switching it up for this look, and I think that it really complemented the green and the brown eyes. And yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. So the giveaway winner for the month of November is Angela A. So shout out to you, Angela. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on and giving every video a thumbs up and commenting done in the comment section. So yeah, I've already reached out to her, but if you guys want to be entered for future giveaways, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you so much for all of your support. I can't say that enough. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!